Morning folks, it is dead early this morning, 5:30 at the moment. We're trying to get down to the spot for sunrise because I reckon it's going to look absolutely quality at sunrise. Got up very early this morning, drove to the spot, so I'm hoping there's not going to be anybody down there. It's a warm summer's morning, so you just never know. So ready to fly the Mavic Mini. Let's go check it all out. Oh, and there we go folks, that was a decent flight with the Mavic Mini. It really is good. It wasn't windy at all, it was very still this morning. Got some awesome shots, even though there were a yoga class down there doing their photo shoot in front of the buildings, which is a bit random, but very happy with how it turned out, and I'm definitely coming back to take it from here again. I'll see you in the next one. Boosh!